Alright, this is gonna suck. Today I'm working on a Harbor Freight wood chipper. You can see that we've got clean threads, clean threads, clean threads, and then this. I have been in a long-waged battle with this singular broken bolt. Today that ends. I'm getting this thing out. I told you I was gonna get this thing out today. I've gone ahead and welded a washer on there. We're gonna weld a washer on there and see if we can yank it off. All right, guys, moment of truth. Our final attempt of the evening. Nope. Welcome to my graveyard. I'm giving it one last go. Okay, guys, new nut welded on. Oh! Okay, if this doesn't work, I don't know what will. And then I got a bigger washer with the bolt on it. Please work. Oh my God, it's moving. It's moving. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna scream. Holy shit. 4 days. Oh my. Guys, I'm not kidding. This might be the biggest accomplishment I've ever had. For those that have ever had a bolt stuck like this, I know you have the same feeling. Let's go.